Every human life begins with a single cell. Within hours, that single cell starts dividing.
This is the beginning of an incredible journey. A tiny cluster of cells traveling toward the uterus.
Days later, it attaches itself to the womb. This is the embryonic stage. The body's foundation is being built. Soon, the embryo becomes a fetus. Week after week, bones, muscles, and organs continue to mature.
The developing baby can even react to its environment.
After nearly 40 weeks of growth, the journey reaches its final stage. Labor begins. The uterus starts guiding the baby into the world. A process billions of years in the making culminates in a single moment.